Hello guys and welcome to another post market analysis video on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today is December 14th and this is the price action of Bank Nifty on a 5 minute time frame. So if you have seen yesterday's video, yesterday we have said that on a daily time frame. Okay, let's go back to daily time frame. Yeah, yesterday we said that Nifty and Bank Nifty both are in a kind of a pullback situation because of this bearish engulfing pattern both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty, but even in Nifty we have a bearish engulfing pattern. So we were seeing a kind of pullback momentum towards the downside. But in yesterday's video we have said that if you notice this candle, the half of this candle is uh, more of compiled with rejection than the actual candle's real body. So that rejection is again confirmed today, and we were talking about being bullish only after we see a close above this line, and that is happened today. But again today we have seen a candle which has got half of the range of the candle, entire range of the candle is rejection. Okay, so half of it is rejection. So we are ready to see how tomorrow's moment is going to be. It's you have to act only on based on an intraday time frame by creating a swing high and swing low. After you seeing a swing high and swing low, you can mark your resistance and support levels and then act accordingly. That is the same situation. See, uh, in the Nifty, see we have a bearish engulfing pattern right there. So that is why we are bearish for a healthy pullback for the Nifty. So here Nifty also seen a good amount of rejection yesterday. So if you have to be bearish, then all these levels are going to act as support. There are lot many levels which are going to act as support for the Nifty, and that is what has happened. Excuse me. And yesterday we have seen a good support, a good pullback for the Nifty, where this level played a very important role. But here, if you see, it is the same situation with the Nifty as well. We have seen a bullish close above this line because this was an important level for the Nifty yesterday. So here we have seen a close above that. Okay. So now let's go back to the 5 minute chart of both the Bank Nifty and Nifty and see what we can learn from today's price action. Okay. So let's select. The 5 minutes chart. So this is the 5 minutes chart of Nifty. Let me enlarge it a bit so that you can see it better. Yes. So to start with Nifty, sorry, Bank Nifty has opened. This is Bank Nifty chart. So Bank Nifty has opened around 47,560 levels, and from there we have seen the initial three candles are not in the same color. So again, we know that from the three candles itself that the market is going to see some indecision in the momentum, and that is what has happened after a good moment towards the upside. Here you have seen a movement towards the sideways market in Nifty, and Nifty has seen some momentum, but the Bank Nifty has absolutely seen a price action that is in this particular zone for the entire day. Okay, now let's see what trades we could have taken in a scenario like this. So to start with, here we have seen a a good swing high. Okay, so because we have seen almost five candles going towards the sideways, and it's a good, this is a good a level which is stopping Bank Nifty for certain amount of time. So this was a good or a resistance area. That's a swing high, and here you have seen a breakout towards the top side and upside, and also you have seen a confirmation candle. So there you could have taken a trade, but then risk versus reward ratio, always remember that your all your round numbers are going to act as support and resistance as well. So especially when a situation where we have the Bank Nifty opened at an all-time high, and seeing an all-time highs. So this 47,900 is an important mark, and at 49,920 30 points we have seen some sort of rejection. So you don't know, so if you want to enter there and if your stop loss is there, you're not really seeing a good risk versus reward ratio there. And what has happened after that is, which means that this is not an ideal place for you to take a trade, because you have the round numbers 47,900 level, and also uh, Nifty, by then you would have also have an eye on Nifty, where Nifty is not really rallying that much. Okay, it was kind of so, okay. We'll come back to the Nifty later. So here, what should have been the case is here you have seen a inside candle formation, which is a harami pattern right here. These two candles put together, and after that, what has happened is you have also seen a good this candle. You have also seen a very good candle forming a pattern called shooting star. So in our shooting star video, we said that it is shooting star is going to be more important when you are seeing it at an all-time highs or at least in a recent highs. So in this case, it is coming at an all-time high for the bank nifty, where bank nifty is standing at 47,940. So both these are bearish signs at an all time high. So at least kind of we know, at least if it is not the downtrend, we know that the uptrend is going to see some kind of struggle because of this pattern. So if you would have seen a close above this, any green candle close above this, then again the momentum would have continued. But then because of these two candles, you could have been there could have been uh, some opportunity for you to take trades towards the downside. But when the market is performing at an extremely higher levels of its own, see in this bank nifty, bank nifty is seeing an all-time highs, and they're taking a trade towards the downside is kind of risky. And also especially when this momentum is very big, so if you're entering there towards the put option, your only target is only this, which is 250 points away, which is a pretty big target. Okay, so in that case, what could have been done is, knowing that this is a counter move, so what could have been done is simply you could have drawn a Fibonacci levels right there from the lowest to the highest of that particular moment. Excuse me. So here in this case, it has reached the first level of Fibonacci 0.38 level here, and the second level is also reached 0.05, and the third level is also reached, which could have been your last target. So those who know how to take profits based on this big movement on a bank nifty could have taken that profit, and they could have benefited out of this 144 points of moment, or at least for people who are not so confident about the last level, at least could have been uh, kept the stop loss till the half of this entire moment, where we could have seen 100 points of uh, moment in the bank nifty. So here again, what has happened is, so after this area, if you just prolong it, you can notice that this resistance earlier is now acting as support, and it held up pretty good. Okay, so you can see a small a bullish engulfing pattern coming at this support, and it has depending upon the risk versus reward ratio, someone could have taken it, some could have not. So here it has reached this level, but it's a very small moment compared to the risk what you have towards the downside. Excuse me. But that is the only trade that you see towards the call. And then after that, if you again, if you draw a resistance level there based on this swing high, here you have seen a moment getting closed above this. So this candle is really not a closed one, that 125 candle, because of this. If you draw this perfectly, you see that is the highest of this peak right there, and here you have seen a only single point breakout, single candle breakout towards the upside. So after that candle, you have not seen a confirmation candle, instead you have seen a harame pattern again there. This is performing very well. So all these failed breakouts towards the bottom or the top is going to act good, and that is what has happened today. So after that, this could have been a wonderful trade option right there, and from there it has seen a good moment towards this level. And the last level for this today is only that, and even that is achieved in today's market, which is 165 points. So before you have seen around 100 points, and now 160 points, it would have been a beautiful day with 260 points on the bank nifty. Okay, so if you come towards the nifty, so nifty, it really, it was a bit tricky to find trades in the nifty, because initially you have seen a, a rejection candle from the bottom. So this would have this is a fantastic support created from the initial few candles in the Nifty. So after that, this support was never broken down, and the Nifty maintained to stay towards the upper side of this area. Okay, the only point where we have see, because that is a high there, so that could have been a resistance area drawn. Okay, so if you would have drawn a good resistance area there, here you have seen a breakout towards the upper side. So here really these prices were not touching this area. If so, we could have taken trade towards the downside, and even this was a good swing low, and this could have also been a support, and even this is a support. So all these levels are not tested on the right side, so we are not bothering to draw it. But here you have seen a breakout towards the upside, and also you got the confirmation there. But look at the level there, it's 21,200. So you don't want to take trade at this round levels when Nifty is performing at an all-time high. Okay, it's what those who have taken some trade there, you really don't know where your targets are, because on the left side you don't have any reference, visual reference to play this kind of a trade. And again, if you notice here, you could have taken a trade, because this is an inside candle formation coming at around figure level 21,200. Some could have taken some trades here. Those would have seen a genuine stop loss towards excuse me. So those could have seen the stop loss getting hit towards the upper side, because you have taken a trade based on this harami pattern towards the downside. That didn't work well, and immediately candle after that has seen a close above that candle, so above this candle. So this could have been a small loss of say 10 to 12 points on the Nifty, which is absolutely fine. But on a bank Nifty, it was a very profitable day, and even Nifty is not bad. Okay, so this was one trade there, and excuse me. So here again, Nifty has struggled a bit, because this level is tested and given a breakout towards the downside, but no confirmation candle there. But if there is a confirmation candle here at 215 to after 210, then it could have been a trade aiming this levels. And all right, so after this, we have seen a bullish engulfing pattern there, but that has a very, this could have been your target. So no proper risk versus reward ratio there, and here you have it's a bit confusing. Okay, this zone would have caught you many times in the Nifty, but that's absolutely fine on a day like this, because Nifty both and bank Nifty are struggling to uh, see new levels. If they're so confident about the moment, we could have seen a fantastic rally. But then this is the first day on a daily chart where you are seeing it prices are levels are coming towards, levels are crossing a previous swing high. So this is a healthy moment. And if you notice, the good part about the Nifty is, okay, from that point, if you notice, it is steadily maintaining a good upside momentum with this as your trend line. So you have all these swing lows which are higher to each other. So this was, even though it was a kind of a mixed day for the Nifty, you could have seen a couple of stop losses hit. It was a good day in the bank Nifty. So that's it for today. I hope you have learned something from today's price action, and see you in our next video, in our next post market analysis. Till then, stay tuned to our channel, and please do subscribe for more such valuable and meaningful content on Indian stock markets. Thank you.